Alright guys, so we leave the tripod mistakenly because we normally travel with it. So after using my hand now to be that amazing instrument.
Yes.
What amazing about the tripod?
What's up?
Anyways, I just see the right on the beat side, you see? So the wave will kind of make a little bit of nice, so we'll try to project so we can hear it. But there was this video that we remember that we had to do and we didn't do, where we're going to talk about some things that we like about each other. We'll put one thing that we don't like about each other. Or let us not say don't like, but we're working on to change, you understand? Yeah, we don't too like the thing there. And we're going to highlight some things that we like about each other. Hope you not see me and my hand not shake too much, because right now, my hand get tired because I'm in a tripod. Yeah, but in the meantime, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel if you are new, tell somebody about I Am Ready for Love with Kanessa and Jerome, okay? So today I'm going to ask, please, Kanessa, can you just start this one for us? Just tell us one thing that you like about Sergi here. Yeah. Hey! Wanna listen now? I don't want to lie now. Alright.
Okay, so I like the fact that he is a go-getter. Him, no, you can't tell him saying can't do nothing. Him, I go do it. Once him put his mind to it, it I go get done. So I love that about him because I have like ideas and things, and we have kind of the same like creative mind, but him and more the alright, think about it now, it can get done now.
Yeah, be impatient when you come out to them things.
Me have to think it up, down, round it, under it. Me have to think about it right through. And sometimes it doesn't get done. So I like that he's a go-getter, and well, together we get things done.
Alright. So one of the things that I like about you, which I think you know because I oftentimes say to you, is that I like the fact that she's a deep reasoner. If that makes sense to you. By that I simply mean that Kanessa don't just think surface. She don't accept things at the surface level. So even if you talk about something, say for instance, then you go through something today and you quarrel about that and say, boy, I saw them do me today, no man, I ain't like that. And you think that she gonna just jump on the bandwagon and support you. No. She just quiet and she listen to the whole story. And she gonna ask about the next side of it before she actually comment or say anything.
Yes, consider the other person's perspective.
Don't just think you're not a friend, so she gonna pick up for you. No, I'm gonna kill her road. No.
I'm gonna make them kill her road.
Alright, but she not gonna confront you like that in public and make you feel like you are an enemy. She not gonna do that. But I simply mean though that whenever time I come to Kanessa with an idea, she basically she go reason it out. She go put proper thoughts into it. And when you get an answer, you know, so yeah, you get a good answer. So most time when I need a little advice, a little help, I can say to her, say, what do you think about this? Because sometimes I really choose not to even mention things to persons because I like to just give me some shallow response. And she's the kind of person where she think deep. So when I run an idea by her, you know, so I get a proper processing. So yeah, I like that about her. In fact, I love that about her. Yeah. Alright, so that was basically one thing that we like about each other in terms of attitude. Now we're going to look at one thing that we like about each other in terms of something that you do. Alright? You want to start?
No? Start a while ago.
Alright, something that Kanessa do that I love. People, I'm not lie. Who know me I love my belly. I'm not licky still, you know. But I love my food, you understand?
Wow.
Kanessa have a thing when she cook brown stew chicken or stewed chicken. I don't know, like she put her foot down the one day.
Who put them?
It's like, I not lie. I love all of her gravy, and she have a gravy there. Even when I try do it and I try catch the gravy there, but I just can't catch it, you understand? Our stewed chicken, like I say, it is superb. Colonel, I when you start with that KFC, you not catch the one day. You understand? The stewed chicken just superb. You have the little ginger night and the little honey night, and I say the thing proper. Them gravy there, you drink it like a soup. You understand what I mean? Yeah man, I love the stewed chicken. Don't me do that.
Yes.
Overly. Yeah. So people, don't worry. We're not get fat around here still about kitchen are going well. Yeah.
You get fat.
So tell us one thing that you like about or love about what I do.
Something you do me like?
Yeah, action.
You are like you're thoughtful.
Clarity.
So like I don't know, what do you call that? not thoughtful more, say.
We ever go on bad, I know you see it. So we have to try to project so we can't hear it. Alright, so you say I am thoughtful. What do you mean by that, babe?
I mean, like, if. Well, I don't know what I want to call it, but I think you are a server. Like, you're here to serve. Like, I don't have to ask if you do nothing for me. I don't have to ask if you take care of nothing. Like, you just go out and you just do it because of me. Like, what you call that?
A1 treatment, you get, you know. It's like, alright, what I think you want to say. You're not necessarily say to me say, hey, you can't do this. Once me say, yo, it is to be done.
Yeah.
It knows that can enhance the mood or make things better. I'm going to move at it. You understand?
Yeah.
So for me personally, I tell myself that guess what? I'm going to take care of my wife. So I want her to be happy in my space. So some things I'm going to do for her, like I've never done that for anybody. I literally do good things to people, you understand? But I go above and beyond to ensure that she's happy. Because once she see a smile and she happy, then I'm good. You understand? Never like you when she make up her face and I don't like the So yeah, I try to make her happy.
Yeah, so something physical now.
Something I love about you physically?
Yes.
Alright, a whole heap of things I love about her physically though, guys. Whole heap of things. But since we're there, so now I see the camera good. But otherwise, you see the little the rest right here, so.
It's so cut off.
No, you're not cutting it off. You're not cutting it off. I love Canessa's hair, and there's something about her lips that I like. I like you have a natural.
You don't know about look on it, no?
You don't look. When me ask that, that like you have a natural little lining thing down there, so that when me see it, I say, yeah, if you take off my wife lips and put them somewhere else, I can go pick it up and say, yeah, what hair like that. You understand? So I love her hair, like love it, and because I love her hair. How much time wash her hair, babe? Me wash her hair regular. Me oil it regular, and it's not a problem. You understand? So the fact you love something, you take care of it. You don't need somebody else to tell you say you need to do it. You do it because you love it. Alright? Yeah, man.
Okay, so.
Canessa's people are coming to me, so I'm not going to talk. They're going to talk, guys. You understand? In fact, they're preachers, so I'm going to tell them. But on a serious note, though, I love her hair. And because I love it, I try to enjoy it. Why? If I will wash it, I just volunteer to wash it, just go wash it myself. And I'm going to oil it up myself, take care of myself because I love her.
Okay, so something that I like about him physically.
They don't know yet.
Your eyes! Okay. Me say, you know them man there? We have the eyelash them with like stay so him that if him did a woman he wouldn't have to buy eyelash.
We have too much money to lend up from my eye sometimes.
Till I like the bottom one them we curl over in a eye. Like people barely have bottom lashes.
I don't walk on a premium eye too much.
But I love that. Like if we get from my nerves and he just like bop them and
that's you see that you
Nobody make it. Nobody make it.
Guys, and if you know what the charm, you know, and them things they use and just water down problem, you know, you see it, and it just works.
Bye.
Oh God.
But yeah, that's something I like about him.
Alright. So one thing that we love about each other, what a thing they know. So we talk about physical attribute, personality, or an attitude.
Yeah. Something I like.
Something I like. What kind of
something you find out about me recently, or something.
Something that you like more you change.
Yeah.
Let me think about it. No, there's something I try to remember. Alright, something that I don't too like, and I think she's getting better at it now, is the fact that Canessa more relaxed in the sense that I tell her say is a mighty woman this right beside me. In the sense that it means she fully loaded. But Canessa is the more reserved kind of person that she will just say, you know what? It's not about the you know man, you can just go on like I say no mama, get up, you can do it. So she more can see the thing and she can take it on and she can do well. And she said, no sir, I don't need that. And I said, no. Yeah, so me constantly like, I mean that, I push her till she weak.
That's why I like that you're a go-getter.
You understand? Because I know that she can do it and I see it now, and when she do it, she actually do well, do better than me. For one instance, I remember when it comes on to editing videos, Kanessa probably before things say me are the crafty man for that, and me I tell her the truth, she way better than me. You understand? She better than me on editing. But before, she was like, I don't really see that. So, I said, no, you can do this. I mean, if you push her, and when you push her, sometimes she get miserable, and then she make up her mouth and make up her face. But through me, you know me ugly long time, me no frightened. You understand? So you get more pushing. Yeah. So tell them one thing that you don't like about me.
One thing I don't like about you, up in the morning.
People, me I'm tired man, the tripod they are burning out.
One thing that I don't like about you, what I know. You when you want something to do, you want it to know. Like, yeah.
Kind of demanding.
Yeah. That little something there, I mean, I like that something there. But yeah, get better at it. You're learning to ask no and be like, you can do this now or when you're done, instead of we're gonna do this now.
No, but me never normally just command to command.
No, not command, but like I know you want it though, so no.
Yeah, I'm adjusting where this concern for you because me normally have this thing like me not like when the day done, you not get where you not get done what you really needed to get done. Me like no, so you move on, you done that and you move on. And that me like. Me not like I do 5 things in one time and not let me complete. But me think me as I say me I work on it because you understand? Yeah. Look at you.
Anyways, guys, I'm tired, I'm tired, so.
And night I come.
Yes.
Oh, I go, mosquito start bite me up. You understand? For in the meantime, though, remember, guys, please help beg on. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Don't just watch the video, them and don't subscribe. It's free, no? It's free. Please subscribe to the channel and drop a like down there if you like the video. Leave a comments down below. Whatever you want, so write it down
Share
there.
the video.
Yeah. Tell somebody about I am ready for love. You understand?
Ready to love myself, ready to love someone else, and ready to teach someone else how to love me.
Bap. Alright. So take care, guys, and remember to be safe. COVID still a keep.
Yep.
Alright.
Look how beautiful that is. God's artwork.
Jaja.